Good day, ma'am, sir. My name is Mary Ann Abanto, 33 years old, single, high school graduate with vocational domestic helper in TESDA. I have work experience taking care of a child because I have 3 nephews and 4 nieces that I take care when they are baby and a child. My father and mother are a farmer in province. I have 3 sisters and 1 brother, and I am the fourth in the family. I have work experience in Taiwan for ASI company in 3 years end of contract 2017 to 2020. My previous work is helper here in Philippines for 2 years 2021 to 2023. My main responsibilities are taking care of a child 2 years old and 8 years old. I also doing cleaning the house, washing and ironing clothes, marketing, and cooking, like Filipino dishes, pakbet, sinigang, paksiw, adobo, and sometimes I'm doing dessert for them. To all employees in Hong Kong, if you hire me, I promise to be a good helper and stay in your family as long as you need me. Thank you and God bless.